Hello all, welcome to Paritranaya IAS Academy. In this video, we will be discussing about Shanghai Cooperation Organization. Again, a very important organization from the exam point of view. So, important because recently India became its member. So, Shanghai Cooperation Organization, these are the things which we need to know about it. So, it's a Eurasian political, economic, international security and defense organization. It means it does not deal with only one single matter, but it deals with different matters: political, economical, international security, and defense organization. Okay. Next, initially it began as a Shanghai 5 in 1996. So Shanghai Cooperation Organization is a successor to Shanghai 5, which was formed in 1996. Next important thing is we need to know about its members. So China, Russia, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Uzbekistan, India, and Pakistan. So let us try to locate these countries on the map. So here we have China, 1. Next we have 2, Russia. 3, Kazakhstan. 4, Kyrgyzstan. So here we have Kyrgyzstan. Next 5, Tajikistan. So here we have Tajikistan, 5. Next we have Uzbekistan, 6. So here we have Uzbekistan. Next we have India. So India, 7. Next Pakistan, 8. Okay. So there are 8 member countries, China to Pakistan. So recently added members are India and Pakistan. So India and Pakistan were the are the members who were to join it recently. Okay, recently. So here one thing that we need to remember is Turkmenistan or Turkmenistan. Even though it's a part of Central Asia, it is not part of Shanghai Cooperation Organization. Very important. Many times in order to trick us, they may give Turkmenistan as an option, that saying that it's a member of SCO. It's not a member of SCO. Similarly, Afghanistan is not a member of SCO. So Turkmenistan and Afghanistan, they are not member of Shanghai Cooperation Organization. So we saw about the members. Next, very important, headquarter. So headquarter is Beijing. So if you look at the name says that Shanghai Cooperation Organization. Okay, Shanghai is again a city in China. But where is its headquarters located? Its headquarters is located in Beijing. Many times in order to trick us, they may ask a question like the headquarters of Shanghai Cooperation Organization is located at Shanghai. No, the headquarters is not located at Shanghai, it is located at Beijing. Then why the name Shanghai Cooperation Organization? Because the first summit was held in Shanghai city of China. Okay, city of China. Next, the other information that we need to know. So we know that most of the organizations every year they go for a summit. Means the leaders of different nations, they meet together. So that meeting we call it as a summit. So when it comes to Shanghai Cooperation Organization, there are 2 different types of summits. One is head of state summits, where Indian president will represent. Next, heads of government summits, where prime minister will participate. Prime minister will participate. So here, so first head of state summit, where it was held? It was held in Shanghai, China. So when? In the year 2001. So do we need to keep track of the second summit, third summit? No. So only we should be worried about the first summit. So first was held in what? Shanghai, China. Next, we should be concerned about whether any summits have been held in India. Okay. So in India, we are going to host the summit for the very first time in 2023. So very important. In 2023, we are going to host the heads of state summit for the first time. Okay, for the first time. Next, heads of government summits. So when was it first time held? First time it was held in 2001. So where it was held? Almaty. So it's a city which is present in Kazakhstan. So first summit was held in 2001 in Almaty in Kazakhstan. Okay, Kazakhstan. So whether India has ever hosted the heads of government summit? Yes, India has hosted it. When? In the year 2020, India has hosted it for the very first time. But because of COVID and all, this summit was in an online mode through video conference. So India was presiding this meeting. Next, apart from this, a very important organization which is associated with Shanghai Cooperation Organization is RATS. Okay, RATS. It is also called as Regional Anti-Terrorist Structure. So where is it located? It is located in Tashkent, Uzbekistan. So it is located in Tashkent, Uzbekistan. So here we have, so here in Tashkent, what its headquarters is located. Okay. So what does this organization do? Is a permanent organ of Shanghai Cooperation Organization. So many times they may frame a question that RATS is not a permanent organization of what Shanghai Cooperation Organization. If such a option is framed, then that option will be wrong, because RATS is a permanent organ of Shanghai Cooperation Organization. Next, what does it do? It promotes cooperation of the member states against the three evils. So it does not deal with just one matter, but it deals with three matters. Three evils. Which are they? It deals with terrorism, it deals with separatism, and it deals with extremism. Okay. So RATS has the responsibility to deal with all the three things: terrorism, separatism, and extremism. Next, the head of RATS. So generally, UPSC will not be asking the question to this deeper level, but as RATS is a very important part of Shanghai Cooperation Organization, so out of view it may frame a question. So that is why it's important. The head of RATS is elected to a 3-year term. It means the head of RATS, he is an elected member. He is an elected member, and once he is elected, he will remain in that position for 3 years. Okay, for 3 years. Next, each member state also sends a permanent representative to the RATS. Very important. Okay, so all the 8 members, they will be sending their permanent representative to the RATS. Okay, RATS. So these are the important aspects associated with Shanghai Cooperation Organization. So in this video, we discussed about the Shanghai Cooperation Organization, its members, and an important organ, RATS. Okay. Similarly, in the subsequent videos, we'll be discussing about the other important international and regional organizations. For all the subsequent updates, subscribe to our channel and hit on the bell icon. Thank you.